Today we're taking a look at the 2026 Mercedes-AMG CLS 63, a car that perfectly blends luxury, performance, and aggressive design into one sleek package. From the outside, the CLS 63 still carries that signature four-door coupe shape, but for 2026 it looks sharper and more confident. The long hood, sloping roofline, and wide stance give it a powerful presence. In silver, the design really pops, highlighting the body lines, the aggressive AMG grille, and the muscular rear shoulders. It's elegant, but you can tell immediately this is not a regular Mercedes. Under the hood, the CLS 63 continues the AMG tradition of serious performance. This car is built to feel fast and responsive, whether you're cruising comfortably or pushing it harder. Acceleration is strong, smooth, and effortless, and the car always feels planted and confident on the road. What makes the CLS 63 special is how it balances performance with comfort. It's quick and aggressive when you want it to be, but calm and refined when you're just driving normally. That's what makes it such a great daily performance car. Inside, the cabin is pure AMG luxury. You're surrounded by premium materials, sporty details, and modern technology. The wide digital displays, AMG steering wheel, and ambient lighting give the interior a high-end, performance-focused feel. Everything is driver-oriented, but passengers are just as comfortable. Compared to older CLS models, the 2026 version feels more modern, more aggressive, and more confident. And compared to other performance sedans, it stands out by offering speed, style, and luxury all in one package. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG CLS 63 isn't trying to be flashy. It's about quiet confidence, strong performance, and timeless design, and that's exactly why it remains such a desirable AMG.